So what has your experience been since coming to Smart Pediatric Therapy?
Well, I'd like to start with the very first time that Avery saw Susan. Susan came to my house, and of course Avery was so loose and didn't have much joint control, so as grandparents we babied her a lot. At that time she came, I remember holding her and babying her, and my little baby, and Susan walked in the door and got a hold of her and started spinning her and moving her and jumping her, and I'm like going, oh my gosh. I got so worried, and by the time Susan was done, Avery was a different child on the very first visit. She was aware, she was moving, it was just such a different child in a matter of 30 minutes. So she's continued to visit with Susan. She loves Susan. A lot of therapies, she cries and has a difficult time. You can see when she sees Susan, she's ready to go with her.
Good.
More than positive. It's just amazing.
Good.
Amazing.
So since she's been coming to the clinic here at Smart Pediatric Therapy, what other differences have you noticed?
Just total, her control, her sitting, her reaching, her vision. At one time, I thought as a grandma that Avery couldn't see anything. And now she sees everything. I know that she sees us and responds, starting to play with toys, grabbing toys. Watching us if we walk by, sits up, trying to move, now I think Susan's working on her getting on her knees, with no issues. Avery doesn't cry to get on her knees with Susan, where with other therapists, it's a crying issue, totally. It's just her ability and her ways with children.
Great. And would you recommend Smart Pediatric Therapy to others?
Absolutely. Absolutely. A change. It's a total different child. Who knows where he would be without Susan right now.
Great. Thank you so much.